The Southwest accorded the Tour its traditional, wonderful greeting with seriously big crowds out to see the riders out of Sidmouth. Smiles for once instead of grimacing into the pelting rain from the riders, some of whom might have been hatching plans to attack. There was almost nothing surprising about the fact that the Tour's favourite Spanish raider Angel Madrazo got himself in the move of the day, along with Christian House, Liam Holohan, Martin Velits and Ian Wilkinson. But out on the road, it was the Madrazo show. He took out all the first three Skoda King of the Mountains to clinch that competition, and he added a few Yodel Direct Sprints points for good measure, because he leads that one too. Not since Thomas de Ghent has the Tour of Britain seen such a committed all-rounder. But with Bardiani CSF pulling the race back, the break was caught just before the foot of the final climb, and they hit Haytor altogether.
Simon Yates coming up to the line. What a ride! Yates takes the stage here at the summit of Haytor.
Plenty of movement in the IG General Classification. Ian Stannard drops to 7th as Elmiger takes his place. Jack Bauer, who started the day in 4th, finishes it in 6th at 1 minute 19 seconds. Nairo Quintana edges into the top 10 as Sergio Parilla makes good 2 places to finish the day in 5th. But the big move of the day, Simon Yates, who finished yesterday in 8th, has made up 17 seconds and is now in a podium spot.